Today's video, I'll be running the FM Towns or Fujitsu FM Towns emulator. I think the Tsugaru emulator on Batocera Linux, and I'll be using a X86 based computer with Batocera. So this is Batocera's website, which shows you what kind of ROM formats you could use for this emulator. So here's all the different types of files you could use. You could use .zip, .7z as well, and .q, which is a CD image file. .m3u is for multiple disks or CDs. And these are the ROM files that you'll need, or BIOS files. So you get these files and put them into the FM Towns BIOS folder. And you could find the BIOS files here. You could download it right here. And make sure you unzip it. This is the file. You could extract it to a folder. Use 7-zip to unpack it. All FMT BIOS in the same folder. So it's right here. Now go to Batocera. And you could make a folder called FM Towns. And you could put all the BIOS files in here. So this is the BIOS file that you want. Go in here. Extract here. Just dump all the files in there. I already did it, so it tells me that I did. That's all you need for the BIOS files. As for the ROMs or the games, you could get them on My Abandonware. Go to Platforms. Go to FM Towns. You could download what you want, basically. Just select the right one for your for the system that you want to run. For example, for FM Towns, it's right here. You could download it here. Here, you could also get programs from this URL. I'll leave it in the video descriptions below. Download them and put them in there. So you just go to ROMs folder. You'll see FM Towns. You could get the files here and extract it into a folder like I did here. It says you could also run them as a .zip file or a .7z. Like that, you could just download that. I mean, put that into your FM Towns ROM folder, and you could run them as a .zip file as well. That's pretty much it. And now I'm going to go to my Batocera device or computer, and I'll run some programs on Batocera next. And I'm back on my Batocera. So you're going to have to restart Batocera, and all your settings should be updated. Let's see if FM Towns is on there. There it is, FM Towns. So I tried running zip files, but they don't seem to work, so you have to extract all the files and put them into a folder, and that's the only way they work. Let's run a game. When you use a zip file, it just constantly tries to find the media and it doesn't load. But if you extract it into a folder, it loads up immediately. See if I can set it up. Okay, that's enough. So let me get out of here. To get out, it's hot button and start. For me, the hot button is select. For you, it may be something else. Play another game. Let's try Raiden. So right now I have my mouse and keyboard connected to my Batocera Linux device, which is a computer basically. In some games you have to use a mouse, so you need a USB mouse and a keyboard to run some programs. Let me get out of here. Let's try another game. Let's try this one. There's really no way to get inside the menu with this thing. On a Batocera, you can't actually. Unfortunately. Usually on Batocera, to get inside the menu, I think it's a hot button and A or B or something. This one, it doesn't seem to work on this emulator. This is a very popular game for the Fujitsu FM Towns computer. A very popular game for this computer. This is kind of like a mech game. You're some kind of a mech and you just take out the bad guys. Simple enough. Set the settings. I want easy. Buttons are quite simple. It's A or B, A and B, and X for pausing. That's about it. Okay, let me get out of here. Let's play another game. Let's play something like SimCity. Let's play Splatterhouse first. Some games don't work, like Operation Wolf doesn't seem to work. But a lot of games do work. A lot of programs do work with this emulator on Batocera. I think the emulator that's being used is a Tsugaru emulator. It's a very popular game back in late 1980s. They had a port for it for the NEC TurboGrafx or PC Engine, which was a very popular game. It was also available for NEC PC Engine CD as well. Oh my god, I got hurt. Gosh. Okay, so this guy kind of looks like Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th. And let me try another one. Let's play one more game. Play SimCity. You need a mouse to play this game. This version of SimCity looks very much like the PC version, so I'm using the mouse right now. Started. Let's see if we have anything in there. Big city. Interesting. It's all irradiated. Looks like they had a nuclear meltdown or something. Okay, awesome. Great. Let's put it on the fastest speed, see what happens. Okay, it's working. Pretty much. I'm able to use the mouse and everything, so let me get out of here. I think there's a demo for this. The FM Towns Super Technology demo. This will be the last program I'll be running. You need the mouse for this demo to navigate around. Like that. Let's see. See what that is. Kind of like a virtual aquarium or something demo, demonstrating the graphics capability of the Fujitsu FM Towns computer. Let's see what else we got. What's that? Alien encounter. Guess this is kind of like demonstrating the multimedia capability of the FM Towns computer.